Have you seen the movie Dune? I haven't even seen the movie Dune, and Dune 2 is out. Woohoo! Reference H24624330. Wow!
It's the only one we got.
Yeah, it's not overly thick. It actually sits on the wrist pretty good.
Yeah, it actually looks quite nice. It's actually the first time I've seen it on a man's wrist. I mean, I put it on my wrist, but it doesn't do it.
You know the saying that it looks like something out of a movie? Well, it sure is. A celebration of the major motion picture franchise Dune. Here comes the Ventura Edge digital quartz, and it's sexy. I thought at the price point it would be, you know, something that carries Bluetooth, GPS, satellite tracking, but this one is all about the movie prop here. This is simply just down to the point, futuristic, and tells the time with 2 light settings, bright and brighter. Oh boy. Get ready, because you're going to need a good sized wrist for this beauty. I found her here in Toronto and I was able to try it on and get a feel for how she is on the wrist. Now here's the specs. We're looking at 47 to 51 millimeter triangular black PVD coated stainless steel case with a 23 millimeter lug with a rubber strap and pin and buckle closure. The thickness is actually not bad, coming in at around 13.8 as you can see on the wrist here. Just a tad higher than some dive watches that are out there on the market. The rubber strap tapers down from 23 millimeters down to 20 millimeters at the buckle. The strap also has its own reference, much like a lot of Hamilton straps as well. H24624330. I'll put that down there for you. A reasonable 10 bar or 100 meters of water resistance. Now the weight is not too bad actually. I didn't have my scale with me, but in my experience I would put this at around 80 and 90 grams or so. I feel like it's nice and surprisingly comfortable despite how bulky it looks. And I'm not concerned about that height. It doesn't look too bad at all, but probably not something that I would be wearing every day. The dial is simple, futuristic, a black dial with 2 digital display sections for hours and minutes, and a black and blue accent crown to use for setting the time, I imagine, and of course you press it in to activate the brightness. I just hoped it would do more. At least for some of the features that you see in like a G-Shock, maybe a compass or ABC technology. Comment below, let me know what you think, because if I brought this thing home, I'm pretty sure Amy would have me sleeping on the couch. Wait for it, the big elephant in the room, $3,230 Canadian. I can't even see him with a straight face. I nearly fell off my chair when the sales representative said the price. That's a stretch, though. You can get a used car for that.
Wow, you can get a used car for $1,000 too. But
that's true. Yeah, depends which model you get. But comment below it and let me know if you're buying a quartz watch. Are you getting one over $3,000? I mean, it is limited edition. Or wait a minute. Yeah, it's limited edition, all right. Limited in features. But all joking aside, I like the concept and the design, and it's super cool that it's associated to the motion pictures, but ultimately for me it comes down to function as well. You need to have something out of here, some substance, some meat and potatoes, to justify spending that kind of money? Oh boy. The Ventura Edge doesn't do enough, but that's just me. You comment below, let me know if this is going to work for you, because on my 7¼ inch wrist it doesn't actually look too bad. And of course it feels super cool. And it could be a cool collector piece for someone. That's my time. The Hamilton Ventura Edge Dune Limited Edition. Another cool Hamilton watch, major motion picture collaboration. I can say I had one on one day. Like, subscribe, and smash the bell. Notifications will get you alerted when the next video drops. I'm on Instagram right there. Take care of you and yours, and we're going to see you on the next one.